This video will show you how to add screenshots to extend reports. Thanks for watching Automate Now. I'm Marco Cruz. Let's dive in. This is going to be in response to a question that I got from another video I made. This video here shows how to take a screenshot when a test fails. And here we have Ahana. She's asking, how do we integrate it with HTML reports? So she wants to know how we can add screenshots to an HTML report. And extend reports is one of the most popular HTML report types. And this is the example that we're going to be seeing here. Let's go to the code. In another video, I showed you guys how to add extend reports to a Maven project. You can watch that in the video card above. And in this video, we're going to build on what we did before. So here I have this test listener class. This class implements iTestListener from TestNG. With this class, we're able to override a method, this one that says onTestFailure. So this method gets called anytime that a test fails. And so far what we've done is grab the name of the test that failed, and then we print this error saying that the test failed. And then we also take a screenshot. This takeScreenshot method has been defined in a base class. And all this does is takes a screenshot and saves it as a PNG file. The screenshot gets saved in this folder right here called failed tests. We also went ahead and added this part right here that adds extend reports. And all we did here was to add a log statement saying that the test failed, and we printed this text. Let me quickly run a test that is going to fail so that we can see that extend report. So let me open this class over here, and I have this test right here that is going to go to automateNow.io homepage, and it's going to check the title of that page. I'm going to fail this test on purpose. I have misspelled the title of the page. Now let's go ahead and run the test. When the test runs, you're going to notice that the test will fail, and a new screenshot will be added to this folder right here. We're also going to see a new file, a new HTML file that is going to contain the extend report. Let's go ahead and run it. And here we see that the test failed. Notice down here that we have an assertion error. Here's the expected title, and this is the title that we found. Also notice that a screenshot was taken and it was added to this folder right here. Let me go ahead and open this screenshot. And this is the automateNow.io homepage. We also see a new file over here. It says extend report, and this is the HTML report. Let me go ahead and right click this and go down to open in, browser, and select Chrome. And this is what the HTML report looks like right now. All we see here is the failed test and the log message over here. Let's go back to the code. So this time we're going to add a new line of code over here so that we can take the screenshot and add it to the report. And in order to add the screenshot, we need to know where the screenshot is located in our system. So in this case, the screenshot is located in this folder over here. So let me go ahead and add a new string over here. I'm going to say string and call it screenshots directory is equal to, and then in quotations, I'm going to say dot / and this is saying this is in my current directory. Then we're going to add the name of the folder, which is failed test. And then another /. Once we have this added, let's go back down here. And here you're seeing this extend in this reporter. This has been defined at the beginning of the class over here. And here we created a new object of extend reports. We also created a reporter, and we're using the extend Spark reporter. And this is the name of the HTML file that gets created. So let's go back down here. And after we add this log entry over here, we're going to attach the screenshot as well. So here we're going to add a new line, and we're going to say dot add screen capture from path. Now we need to provide the path where the screenshot is. And for that, we're going to use the variable that we created earlier. We're going to say screenshot directory plus. Now in this directory, we have the screenshot over here. And notice that the screenshot contains the name of the test. That is this variable right here, failed test. That's why I'm going to add failed test over here. And lastly, I need to add the extension because this is a .png extension. So here I'm going to say plus .png. Now when this report gets created, it will add the screenshot that we took to the report. Now let me go ahead and rerun the test so that we can take a look at the report again. The test failed again. And since I already have the report open in Chrome, it will update automatically with the new changes. So let me go ahead and open that up. And now we see the screenshot added to the report. Notice that it still has the old information. This is the log entry right here. And we have the name of the test that failed. Now there are a couple of ways to add screenshots. I think this is the best way, but let me show you the other way as well. So the other way is to add the screenshot in this area over here. Let's take a look at how we can do that. So we're going to leave this here, and we're going to add a new line over here. and we're going to say dot fail. Then we say media entry builder dot create screen capture from path, this one right here. And let me go ahead and grab this path right here, copy it and paste it down here. Then we're going to go outside of this parentheses and say dot build and semicolon. So I'm going to rerun the test, and this time we're going to see two screenshots. The test ran and it failed. Let's go back to Chrome to take a look at the extent report. And my report has updated automatically. And notice that now we have two screenshots. We see the screenshot over here, but we also see the screenshot in this area down here. The main difference that you will notice here is that this screenshot is going to be smaller than this one over here. That's why I prefer this one over here. And that's how simple it is to add screenshots to your extent reports. I would like to give a shout out to Hannah for asking this question. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Also, I would like to recommend another video that I made on how to take a screenshot of a single web element. You can check that out on the video card on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.